Welcome to my channel where literature comes to life through the art of handwriting. Today we are diving into the concept of Russian formalism. In this topic, we also discuss two main principles, groups in Russian formalism, ideas of Russian formalism, phases, and theories. Russian formalism. Formalism, also called Russian formalism, form means structure and ism represents movement. Combination of two words indicate that literary theory in which we talk about form and structure. The study of the text by looking at its formal devices, syntax, figures of speech, rhyme, rhythm, meter, narration technique is called formalism. Formalism is a literary theory. It originated in Russia around 1915. It is the study of literariness, for example, is the sum of devices that distinguishes literary language from ordinary language. Two main principles. There are two main principles of Russian formalism. All literary text in sense has fixed meaning, and the second, the greatest literary texts are timeless and universal. Groups in Russian formalism. Linguistics Circle 1915, led by R. Jacobson, Roman Jacobson. Opias was led by Viktor Nikolsky. Ideas of Russian formalism. Russian formalists advocates a scientific method for studying poetic language. Phases. There are three distinct phases in the development of Russian formalism. The first phase regarded literature as a kind of machine with various devices and functioning parts. The second phase considers it to be more likely as an organism. The third phase saw literary texts as system. Theorists, theorists associated with formalism. Viktor Skolsky, Yuri Tanianov, Boris Eichenbaum, Roman Jacobson, Viktor Skolsky. Victor gave the concepts of habitualization in his essay Art as Technique, published in 1917. He then gave the concept of defamiliarization, was proposed by Victor in his essay Art as Technique. It refers to the literary device where language is used in such a way that ordinary and familiar objects are made to look different. Roman Jacobson. R. Jacobson was the leader of Moscow Linguistics Circle. He formulated the concept of literariness. He developed revolutionary new techniques for the analysis of linguistic sound system. Jacobson model of function of language distinguishes six factors of communication: context, addresser, addressee, contact, common code, and message. Sources of meaning. According to Russian formalism, there are two sources of meanings. Words on page mean close reading. Various contextual meaning is the meaning derived from background. According to Russian formalists, form and words on page are the sources of meaning. And now our topic is end. This is a very important topic in literary theory. Hope so you like these notes. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it and share it with others. Subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you next video.